TV karibuni sana ne weekend yege ithwe nawe atrai korwo tugitungana makiria guku kwa Muthingi TV na makiria atafarira-ini ya kana ya ngatha citu mari makiria haria tukorwo tukiaririria uhoro wigie kana maundu mothe matukonie ithwe makiria tuge ruriri rwa kairitu kana hihi muhiriga wa kairitu ndiga ni ruriri kana ni muhiriga wa kairitu
as long as ni kairitu
exactly ngiko ni kairitu fata ni karahutia kairitu thina mbere kana gukorwo na gukiaraniria na ithwe kuria nenda-ini citu ciothe cio kinyaniria ni gakunyita ugeni getika kairitu kamathako la sports guard mundu gwitwo wa boy wa jao
karibu sana thini wa Muthingi TV na ni ngetwo Bill Hanyaguthie wogo turaririria horo wake careers
omothe
growth
na horo wigirire na horo wigi etagwo atia haha gatagatiga before you get to your breakthrough is that a period of you really don't know what you are doing. Yes,
you are just there surviving
we hotu ginya hakiri ndumenya rimwe ginya rimwe ndumenya ni thiku iriko
gukoma
kegwire
you sleep the whole day
mundu tari wakanyuira
it's so hard. I remember hediria ndoragia like ngocietatia there was a time ndoragia ciuria ngioria tiriri I can't remember the specific question okay ndoriria tiriri is it okay at what age wagirire gukorwo wagirire gutiga gwitia mamu wanyu mbeca
kujia kumutia ni kina ngiri mwana wake
exactly
you know ona atura imatituraga atiriri you always be my little girl so of course right now I'm still a little girl
up.
Yeah, I'm still a little girl.
Hey, there was a DJ ndiririkana ni ajeri kwa heire na ngimwira atiriri ilikuwa inahusiana na kazi ngimwira atiriri do you know how hard it is to get a job?
Yeah.
And not even a job, a good job. Mawira mekuo. Mawira mekuo.
No riwe
ungikona wira uria uthomeire, ungikona uria wira uria wendaga na mushara uria wendaga.
It takes you time.
Yes.
And before you get there, hey, hakiri ni ikoragwo ithogothetwo. Oga
feel.
Ugatwarwo guku gacokio guku. And I believe especially the people who especially aria mekaga mawira ma kwandikwo. There's an uncle of mine aturageraga mamwitu atiriri which now back then ni ndona atari komena ciana ciake but now ni nyonaga essence ya ku ciugo iria ugaga aturagira mamwitu atiriri ni tha ici ndingithomithia kana ni ciana ciakwa citingithoma wira citangiandika ati mundu arathi guthomera wira no nginya wetirire mundu handu fulani uhingurite the same thing urenda gwika ni ugukorwo kiandikwo and true to his words gutie mwana wake wekire ati kothia ya gwika ati in as much as ni akwandikwo if from the word go no arathi gucaria capital ya kwiyambiria wira wake and yeah I think they're doing well so far so good.
I have an auntie of mine Kiria catering okay right now daradil na catering ama anything endagia duka
ruga duka
ni rugari.
Let me tell you something, especially like Jali horo wigi this career of ours. Because we are so many of us. No masukuru.
Muno.
Sukuru andu maihurite ngai.
No maroka na no maguthi na mbere na
guthoma. Na rimo makwiraga we no we kuga. Waigo screen ni ngai waigo camera ni ora meguthamanya ureka mohoro yo. Let me give you a very good example nani. Yeah. Tugithie cukuru twathomire nawe tugikirikia ngithie internship double internship na radio which was okay. I loved radio. I still do. Would I want to go back to radio? Yes, 100%. Tugikirikia radio akirire ngihota gwika ati go shift from the internship to kumetate. I wouldn't call it a job because hakunyitirira but because of Kiria docket area dalire at least I used to get at least kanyamu we wa gato ugigithie kabuni igigithira atikana ai kabuni ni yathira mti yangu
yahingwo
munene ara like gwire let me start from ha kabuni yahingirwo and the people we worked with because I think we at the way I think we were with you.
Yes.
Kai urona ndu kuguthwo ni tha mundu was very jovial mundu hakiri ni cia thogotha mundu ucio ri arabitie family because that place ni okitega kate because it wanted
na nginya future
exactly anatiga tiga but tiga in the future nä okite kuhana terenda kuhura
the prominent ones.
Yes. Nä oka nä amukirithia ndo koraheyagwo ngirigano uraheo matatu okoraheyagwo 150 okaguthoga for 50 gaku for life.
Very nice.
So nä oka nä atinuka in as much as nä oka nä atinuka ri in that period andu nä magite mbia but andu no mahota kwi you know marupurupu hapa pale riu nä oka completely hatirä mbia andu makuguthonitha atia ni hau niho ndambire ku realize we muturire ni ucenjagia because the people you knew ukaigua mundu ona anga ni arakomire thibitari anga ni arekire anga na alsas you know a girl has to survive in this town.
Definitely.
A girl has to survive in this town to githie kuria Muranga. Kai. Hey, ado Muranga.
Keyword.
Dirauga ni oru no kai. Ado Muranga cia nyungari okuru. If there's a place that traumatized me natinaoru. That place traumatized me.
Why are you not telling them twali onawe?
Alafu nyagothi wako ni ndagitete mbere weri no kathutha the climate is not what you expected.
Hey, I had a very hard time, let me tell you.
You see, if you didn't come, you know, if you didn't come to that place, singeka mwezi ingine umenya twikaraga na ile nini ya tumbaniririe tuthukume nginya around December. December I
actually stayed for 1 month.
Ilikuwa 1 month?
Yes, just 1 month.
I think I stayed for 3 or something.
Ulienda October, ukaniita November, ikikuja kuisha cause it took a while iyo period ya ku apply ngali uniwetikirwo. Yes, so nikakuja December ikiisha. Ai nie kundu kuma
December that first day tukiroga fast twarugeire Nairobi tutoe kuria turambia guy but that place was
toxic
because especially ungiruta mawira we mwenyewe utarenda it feels like
then ndakwirira atiriri no ngithie handu wage kuiganira your energy
ikoragwo
na ginya you will always feel you don't belong there.
Nieke gwirema you see the people, what are the people, you know we were ready. You used to get a lot of good friends.
Yeah, but they had really nice friends.
And for some reason, I don't know why those girls used to treat me like that.
They treated you badly.
Yeah, they were not good people.
Unajua tulikuwa tunapatana tu jioni, so I wouldn't know.
Kai, kidema ni unogeta mandi. Kai. Manege negokuja. Haya, tukikiuma kuu. Then came some online radio, Giruta.
I remember.
Gyoka online radio, Giruta. Gishoka githiko tugithie
transition to AI.
Transition to AI. Gishoka gima AI. Gishoka nigio rege my former employer Muranga akidora Kiambu.
Yes.
Then now in that Kiambu ndwari kuo.
Yeah,
Kiambu wokaga rimwe.
Ndia Kiria.
Hidi wale msimamizi mkuu.
Yes.
Wenye maslahi aingigioka ngira mutumia kengwire ndie kuria ndirathi no gaka ni gutirania. Then after some time, I think after daumire ko after like for I think 2 or 3 months later when ni ndokire Kiria ndokire muthingi na like gwira ungikona whatever you wanted to do in life you will have to get no ginya ukona matiruka.
Sometimes life led to hea Kiria urenda.
Of course. Na no
you don't always get what you want.
Ungikona mundu rathie directly, especially mundu tale kidogo emotional hakita ira machua feel. It takes you time to adjust because you're like how did I get here? Ginya wakona that chance uheto you are misusing it.
Kana ginya ni uraremwo ni kumi-handle because it's a major role na
nyonaga ona Kiria the biggest anchor story. Whenever they say about the story you're like we
sikujua kapitia
kwena ungidoni yawire ati abiri na mukawa
ni ukuambia
nko yao
tamenya ni ukuambia
because getting the dimenya I don't know if it's job markets that they're ni job markets gutarikana ke
rimwe na ni ngwiraga riri like most people aria wonaga I don't have to mention the TV stations, some of the radio stations. They've been there for like 10 years. In a span of 10 years, ni andũ igana mararikia cukuru aingĩ halafu aingĩ rĩu mũndũ ũcio rĩ ndarauma mũndũ ũcio rĩ acoke arute mĩaka ĩngĩ 10 hizo ni miaka 20.
Tunyonaga a lot
wewe uko tu hapo hadi hujaipata internship.
Tajaginya okay, the moment wathi ku apply ginya internship re, it's getting even hectic here. Is it making sense? Before waeto, and then the worst thing that has come to to this job markets there's a lot of, do I call it sex play?
Yes.
For you get
you
a
have,
job,
you have to do something.
Exactly.
It's a give and take.
I can give you a very good example. Let me give you a very good example. Initially in that company, it's a non-company. Initially agĩũka andĩkĩtwo eta Kiria waharĩa gate-inĩ front office kana etagwo
in front office.
Okay, the boss now the MD agĩũka akĩmwenda because I wouldn't call that love because no MD nĩ mũhikano. That was last. Rĩu the MD said ũyũ agũtuĩka PA wakwa. So umenye kambuni ikwandĩkĩte wĩke with front office. So anytime wekĩrwo duty they know you are supposed to wake at
report
front office. But now the MD, because now you still want to put the relationship afloat no ginya weke nake kĩrĩa arenda. Kima time the MD athiaga Mombasa. The girl the schedule ya boss wake gũthiĩ Mombasa na schedule yake front office gĩkatĩa they collided. Ikakuwa digethie Mombasa nawe because they wira haha front office. Na ke boss ya me ndienda kumenya because
you are my PA.
You have one you have benyorete bia ciakwa. I've bought you things that we mwenyewe ndungehotire kwigurira. Nimekuhamisha because they had done when he had gone. Mwiretu ni athamio, mwiretu ni agurirwo ngari nona bathi ukiambatagio kirathi o kahora. So what will happen? Because I can't digotigaira front office dina Mombasa. The girl didn't go to Mombasa with the boss. Agaguthie na wira na boss on a front office wafutwo
na agifutwo
ugikatia na MD ni akiuga.
Really?
Yes.
So what happened afterwards?
Si waliachana, walikosana.
Hivyo tu.
We mundu agigufutithia wira no ikare nake.
Ndetirio ngari.
After life after na kugure diwe. But when it came to job ni mahitanirie fio. Yes.
And that is how her work initially.
That's how her work yathirire. Na menye kinya kire recommendation yake jiguaga it was not a recommendation that agigene wira kunge. Because then he was, but I call that pettiness though.
It is, but then at the same time, even like Victoria today, I think we should. Okay, it's going to be tricky. Kuringana na uria ngokimuga. I think nitwagirire ku draw a line when it comes to work
and relationships.
But then it was hard at the same time. Mundu, it's your boss.
Yeah. This is your workplace.
Yes.
But I feel
it was a lot.
I feel especially in the era of Kiria, in the era of social media and pressure and doing, it's forcing a lot of especially young people to fall into things that they're not supposed to be falling into.
You do a lifestyle.
Nidona we nudhire Mombasa, nudhire na flight. Niere dina mabathi peke yake. Na dathie mabathi digirara.
Ona passport dire.
Digirara. Neginye Mombasa njoke. Hau noho mucara wakora nginyi.
Ona ndukuria.
Ati kuria
umebathi. You feel the breeze.
Nijue Mombasani joke. No we nidona atiriri no ya flight. No thie Mombasa no ikara for a week. No Mombasa ndukihetwo kiria ya mweri, ndukihetwo off ya mweri. No ya kiria ya mweri
no celebrate birthday.
No Mombasa no athie kiria mani, no athie Zanzibari. No Zanzibari no athie Seychelles mani. Then someone comes and asks me that wewe
not taking no for an answer.
And then ndaikara ugu ndona uri uratesa ngamenya ndajui ugithie Zanzibari
Bali
Dubai kuria muthanga-ini ugu na video cia kiria ugithie Dubai de haria Eiffel Tower ku nikuo ndirekira guoko munyone
ukihura mbica witira wi France.
So I feel like no, I don't know, ndimenya niki gitumaga riri andu amwe mare mogwetiria pressure icio, but ni kuigania na irathi utagirire. You see, when you feel like
it's lifestyle, cause I'm admiring your lifestyle, which means I will do anything
to get to
where you are. Tondu lifestyle yo wina yo ri akiri toguo nyendaga wa mburi ni wadaga uthie Zanzibari venye unaishi hivyo akiri uguo nyendaga guikara
wona nyumba yakwa mwani itende ciakirio
kamenya si hivyo ndo natakanga
ni cia recline ukauga
uguo akiri uguo nyendaga
takiria
uguo
ukariganirwo atiriri whatever you are doing tikio ndireka probably come from money.
Sometimes I feel like most people ndure guy nduguga most mo ahure ningi
tutigukuhura
like ndige kuga most but some people they will do anything for the money. They don't care. Kuri gugethi kuria ginya hingure kiria iretwo ki OnlyFans as long as it's paying me as long as it's paying me good money, why not? And I get to live a life that I want.
I was looking, actually, ni jana mani juzi. Ndirageragia compare TikTokers lives. Iyo kirora maisha ma TikTokers maria meigite.
Aya tuga TikTokers, the famous ones.
And I felt like it's all about competition and belonging. Ndienda bilhajide. Ngoka haha mwathani ngagwikirira ngathieko. No, in real sense ni gukomba ndirakomba. There's a TikTok, I think ndigotinda ngimugweta ritwa ni ndirenda ndire na kiria
ndiona ungiohwo runo no tukire gukuonaga
na thufu na curu ndona gakirwa atiriri to fund her life, her lifestyle okagataru agoka, for example riu ni nie goka kuriwe gathie kwi Liz, gathie kwi Hamida, gathie kugwa ngakorwo na andu ana aria njui they are managed goka gakora atiriri bill haba ite there's a project I'm doing na project ino ndiradengeria na datara mushara wakwa na kiri it's not enough when agirita magana matatu njikirie because of course you know wambo ya jamani so wamboy kajikira ngiri magana matatu gathie kwi Liz na kega mwira I have a project that I'm doing nini na radengeria. You see the same story, the same sob story ndako he kamwira na biare niga gucokeria itingi magana matatu ndikurihaga na installments jikira shiri aka ambo yezipotea si tunamjua
si tunamuonanga
akajikira gathie kwi